workout we're going to do with dumbbells. It's arms. We'll concentrate on one of these arms using nothing but dumbbells. Grab your pair of dumbbells. You're going to sit down. We're going to do some seated dumbbell curls. Come here. Remember, go slow. Control the weight. Get that mind-muscle connection. You're going to do 12 to 15 reps on each arm. Right here. Just take your time. Squeeze it out. As soon as you finish doing 12 to 15 reps, you're going to stand up. Same thing. Control the weight, come here. 12 to 15 reps. As soon as you finish 12 to 15 reps, set the weight down, go to a bench. You're gonna do some bench dip. When you do a bench dip, you're just gonna go to the failure. You're gonna go down, lock all the way up. Like I said, you just want to keep going until you can't do no more. We'll do 4 rounds of that. What I'm going to do for arms is the dumbbell tricep extension. You want to come here, grab the dumbbell, put it behind your head, try to have the elbows pointing in. Come here. You want to do 12 to 15 reps. Come here, squeeze them triceps to the top. As soon as you finish doing 12 to 15 reps, you're going to do a lot of exercise a lot of people don't do. Kind of like doing hammer curls, you grab one dumbbell. Put both hands, palms facing up. Come here, just curl it up, straight from the side. You want to come here, you want to do anywhere from 20 or to failure. As soon as you finish doing the 12, 15 or how many reps you want to do with that, you go down, you're going to do diamond push-ups. You make a diamond, elbows close to your side, go all the way down, tilt your chest into that diamond, and lock out. Like with that exercise, we're not going to do a certain number. Just going to go until you can't do it no more. We're going to do 4 rounds of the dumbbell tricep extension, palms up curls, and diamond push-ups to fill. Dumbbell for arms, we're going to do 4 rounds. You'll come here, another superset. We're going to do incline curls double. Grab both of them, come both at the same time. Come here. You're going to do 12 to 15 reps. As soon as you finish, as soon as you finish doing 12 to 15 reps, now I'm going to grab a light dumbbell, come here and do standing tricep extensions. I'm going to do 12 to 15 on each arm. So you do 12 to 15 on one arm, and switch to the other. And you want to go through 4 rounds of that, and that will finish up your arm workout using nothing but dumbbells.